Wood has many lives. Our Indo collection was born of this philosophy. Comprised from reclaimed and sustainable sources, Indo is an eco-friendly interior wall covering for those who move against the grain. A selection of the range carries the coveted teak FSC mark, a badge of honor meaning the teak hardwood is reborn, reclaimed from another life 200 years ago and made new again as a premium wall covering. Available in alluring finishes like nature, gun-smoked and charred in driftwood, teak, walnut, heavier, bangkirai and teak root, Indo is both a natural gallery and an environmental statement. To create Indo, nothing is wasted. For example, the root of the teak tree is reimagined as diamond wood and the rubber tree is harvested to become driftwood. Each plank is unique and handmade with carefully selected pieces that perfectly match to build up a mesmerizing piece of wall covering. Natural wood placates our inner desire for the great outdoors and fosters well-being. Indo Premium Wood Wall Coverings.